What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Tailgate Talks. I'm Aric and Tyson.
And I'm Tyson Moss. And this week we're going to be talking corn diseases.
We're just walking through this corn a little bit here at the test plot, trying to find if we see any diseases out here. Not much, and I think it's a lot dependent on hybrid. But we just wanted to kind of let you know about what diseases could be out there, what to look for, weather-wise, kind of what we're looking at too.
So when you think of corn diseases, there is common rust, southern rust, there's Goss's wilt, there's public enemy number one, tar spot, there's northern leaf blight, and then there's also gray spot.
Yeah.
Any I'm missing any?
Yeah, I can't believe you can name all those, but
I know. Must be my lucky day.
We might have found a little bit of gray leaf spot here. It might be tough for the camera to see. This is kind of where a lesion was already began, and that seems to be where a lot of diseases can come in. But gray leaf spot's going to look like an elongated lesion, gray spot like that, but it's going to have yellow around the edges as well. And kind of likes cool, humid weather, which we're kind of having right now. By the time this video airs, it could be a little warmer, but
yeah, it's kind of been a little cooler.
Yeah, it's pretty nice today, 70 degrees.
So another one is northern leaf blight, which is similar in coloring, but it's more of a cigar shape.
Yeah, it's not going to have that yellow around it. It's going to look long like a Bob cigar.
Bob Seger?
Bob Seger. Somebody will get that out there.
A lot of Bob Seger fans.
Probably. So that's another one that kind of likes maybe a little higher temperature, but high humidity. And humidity is something we've had in plenty, it seems like, here these last couple of weeks.
Seems like humidity and moisture, we've had plenty of that.
Yeah. Another one that kind of happened last year and caught us by surprise a little bit is that southern rust. We're kind of in a moderate risk to that, moderate to low. Kind of blew up on the wind last year out of the south.
Yeah, a lot of those southern winds when it was hot last year brought that up, and yeah, no one saw it coming.
No, it robbed lots of bushels from us. And if you didn't have a field treated with fungicide, you're looking at a 30 bushel less difference between that and the southern rust. So
southern rust, the corn thief.
I don't even know what to say.
So also there is Goss's wilt.
Well, hold on. Let's talk the other rust.
Fine then. After you. Maybe there's a more common rust?
There's a more common rust for the common man. That's a little more common in our area. I said common way too many times, but
who's counting?
That's going to be in the upper canopy. Looking at that one, it's going to be kind of rust colored. Is that the right way to put it?
Yeah, pretty common looking rust.
Pretty common looking rust. It got maybe little black speckles in there, a little yellow one on the edges. And that's going to be a little different than southern rust. Southern rust, usually we don't have, but has obviously, like we said last year, we had some. But that's going to be more circular and more rust colored with yellow around the edges. No black specks in that necessarily.
You'd think southern rust would be the common one, and common rust would be southern rust.
I would say we're not in the South, Tyson. So
I know.
I mean, we're south of Oregon, South Dakota. But
rust with a black spot, that sounds more, that doesn't sound common.
Okay.
So let's move on from these.
Let's go to your Goss's wilt now.
So yeah, back to Goss's wilt. The big indicator with that is if you take your leaf that you think has it, you hold it up to the sun, you can see through it. It's translucent. A lot of times it looks like a water stain. There's like darkening around the outside of the margins, and like a lot of these diseases, Goss's wilt will like survive in the stover.
And a lot of these diseases, yeah, we'll do that, especially on corn acres. It seems like those are the ones that typically get the hardest pressure disease every year.
Yeah, and another one is if you're out scouting your field and you see like some black speckling, if it rubs off, that's not a disease. That's probably fly poop.
Yeah, probably. Seen it.
Maybe wash your hands after.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't rub off and it's on the both sides of the leaf margin, it's more than likely tar spot.
Yeah, that's been the hot button here the last few years. Hasn't really crept up to us. It came in late last year, so we know we got the inoculum in the soil. It's around, some has been spotted by Cherokee, spotted Did you get that?
Yep, spotted.
Spotted by Cherokee area over there. So keep an eye out. That one is the biggest yield robber we got right now, it seems like, in corn. So
Yes, that one is probably the one that's most detrimental.
it's the Jesse James of corn disease.
The Billy the Kid. What would that make fungicide? The white herb?
Yeah, you're not wrong. It would be. Well, I think that was all 6 possibly that we had talked about in the beginning. Got any more questions, or you see something in the field, I'd say contact your local FCS agronomist. We'll be there to help in any way possible. If you are scouting in the fields, make sure you wear glasses possibly. Corn leaves can be dangerous, so careful out there.
Thank you for joining us today.
So guess who's back?
Tailgate Talks is back.
Hi!
We'll be back. How many rows are you going on?
Oh, 4. You could talk.